This year, the pandemic has gotten more people than ever thinking about either getting away from the bustle of city life, or perhaps joining the van life movement themselves. But if there's one thing you don't want to do while traveling or even living out of your van, it's finding a rest stop to use the bathroom or even take a shower. Today we are looking at 5 Class B camper vans with built-in bathroom and shower facilities. Before we start, if you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you love it, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos, just like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, be sure and let us know in the comments section. And make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, links in the description below.
5.
Airstream is one of the most well-known names in recreational vehicles. Founded in 1931 by Wally Byam, their travel trailers became an iconic part of American heritage. Not wanting to rest on their laurels, Airstream turned their attention to self-propelled motorhomes, partnering with Mercedes-Benz for the chassis, a 2500 Sprinter van. One of the camper vans created from this partnership is the Interstate 19, a van small enough to fit in a standard-sized parking spot, but with an impressive interior for 1 or 2 adventurers to explore the open road. The Interstate 19 provides everything a person or couple requires while on the road, or relaxing at a scenic destination. Outside there is a motorized awning, providing plenty of shade. The van itself comes with 50+ best-in-class features as standard, not an upgrade, including choice safety and luxury amenities. Upon entering, there is a generous wet bath, with plenty of standing room and a tilted bowl for ease of use. Immediately to your left is the galley, complete with a 2-burner gas cooktop, a large stainless sink and faucet, a convection microwave, a slide-out pantry, and a refrigerator/freezer. Making your way toward the rear, cabinets wrap around the coach over the galley, sofa, and rear seat, offering plenty of storage. There is a hanging closet on the right, and a large full-width sofa at the rear. The sofa converts into a bed that can comfortably sleep to, and there is ample storage behind for whatever luggage you take with you. Pricing starts at $184,903.
4.
Jayco was founded in 1968 when Lloyd Bontrager developed a prototype camping trailer with a unique lift system. A year later Al Yoder joined the company, and they sold 132 camping trailers. Their first foray into camper vans was in 1977 with the J Mini Motorhome series. Fast forward 53 years and we have the newest model to grace the Jayco lineup, the Terrain. This is a 4-wheel drive, go-anywhere Class B camper van. As far as I know, this is the first 4-wheel drive camper van Jayco has sold, likely because of renewed interest from Winnebago's Revel or Storyteller's offerings. The Terrain is a 2022 offering and looks extremely capable with lifted height, flared rear body, and an incredible paint job evoking the wonders of the outdoors. The Terrain starts off with the extremely capable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 4x4 chassis with a 144-inch wheelbase. The Terrain comes with Jayco's exclusive ride and handling package, which includes premium shocks, a balanced drive shaft, and designed for a smooth ride on and off-road. Entering on the passenger side there are 2 belted seats with a storage cabinet above, and a flip-up table to get some work done on the road, or for a quick meal. Immediately behind this seating is the combination storage closet and wet bath, depending on what your needs are on the trip. Across from the bathroom is the galley, which includes a deep sink, refrigerator/freezer, pull-out countertops, a pantry, and a portable induction cooktop. In the rear is a unique drop-down overhead bed. When raised to the ceiling, there is ample storage below for bikes, luggage, or anything else you decide to bring with you on your trip. Pricing starts at $192,000.
3.
Winnebago is one of the leading manufacturers of camping vans in the United States in addition to truck bed campers, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. Winnebago was created in 1958, and has been synonymous for RVs ever since. They remain one of the most recognizable names in the industry year after year. The Era 70A is a familiar part of Winnebago's lineup, and has been updated for 2021 and 2022. The Era is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, a popular start for many motorhome manufacturers due to its extensive list of safety and luxury options. The Era uses the extended-length chassis to maximize interior space. The Era's understated looks belie the capabilities of the camper van. There is also a 4x4 version, but, due to the low ground clearance, I wouldn't suggest the more challenging trails out there. The Era 70A seats 4 and can sleep up to 3 people. The side and rear doors are equipped with screens to let the breeze in and keep the bugs away. An armless awning helps with shade while an LED porch light illuminates the campsite. On the inside up front sits a belted sofa that can also convert into a bed. The two front chairs can swivel around and a table can be placed between the seating at the front, allowing for 3 people to share. Facing the rear on the right is the refrigerator and pantry. A bit further back lies the wet bath behind 2 folding doors. On the opposite side of the coach is the galley with a 2-burner cooktop and sink. The TV is located here as well off to the side. Finally, in the back is a V-shaped, twin bed setup called the flex bed with storage underneath. A small partition can be added between the 2 beds to make one enormous bed that takes up the entire rear of the coach. How nice would it be to sleep there after an exciting day of adventuring out in the wilderness? Pricing starts at $198,421.
2.
Storyteller Vans is an aftermarket van conversion company based in Birmingham, Alabama. They are one of the newer players in the field, but have quickly become well known for their high quality, attention to detail, and simply stunning looking camper vans. The first production version of the van we are looking at today, the Beast 4x4, rolled off the line in fall of 2019. And they have improved and iterated on the design year after year. For the 2022 version, they have reworked a lot of the control panels and made small tweaks based on actual customer feedback. The Beast 4x4 sits atop a raised Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with an incredible amount of space between the bottom of the van and the road. This, with an aggressive front brush guard, roof rack, and all-terrain tires, makes the Beast look worthy of its namesake. In addition, the exterior sports a ladder to get to the roof rack, which doubles as a deck, as well as a light bar to illuminate the obstacles before you. Stepping inside, one of the first things you see, and one of Storyteller's claims to fame, is the patented Groove Lounge seating area. This versatile seating area, in its stock configuration, allows 2 people to sit while the vehicle is in motion. After you stop, it has multiple positions from a bed, to a lounger, to additional seating. To the left is the galley with a refrigerator/freezer combo, a stainless steel sink, a microwave, and a portable induction cooktop. The bathroom is actually hidden till you need it. There is a pan on the floor and you can rig a portable shower up using their mode shower system. The toilet is a porta potty which stows in the shower pan when not in use. The multitude of hanging storage is also removable, as is the rear bed, allowing you to reclaim some van space should you need it. Pricing starts at $198,746.
1.
Advanced RV was started by Mike Neuendorfer in Cleveland, Ohio. Mike started Advanced RV because he wanted to design custom motorhomes, taking his clients' ideas, needs, and desires into account for each build. Few other motorhome aftermarket builders do this. They are mostly designed to be produced en masse. Advanced RV creates a single van tailored specifically to each client. And while some aspects might get carried over, many additions are custom, created and built specifically for each build. Because of the custom nature of Advanced RV's products, there isn't a single model I can show you to showcase what this talented studio can produce, so instead I'm presenting one of my favorite builds I've seen on their YouTube channel, which I'll link to here. The build is called Gayle, which is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144-inch 2500 chassis. The theme of this build is the client wanted to live off the grid for extended periods of time. Upon entering, you're treated to the gorgeous dark wood used throughout this build. There is a wet bath with a composting toilet. Opposite is the galley with a deep sink, plenty of storage, and a portable induction cooktop. A bit further back is a drawer refrigerator custom built into the wall. To reduce weight, instead of full cabinets, stylish storage cubes are used instead. At the rear is a purple mattress Advanced RV had to cut to fit into the van, highlighting their commitment to a custom experience. Pricing varies by client. We only scratched the surface in this video, and there are a multitude of camper vans on the market today. Which one did you enjoy the most? Is there one you'd never heard of before? Did we miss one of your favorites? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, but if you loved it, consider subscribing and ringing the bell for more videos just like this one, injected directly into your YouTube feed. I'm Noah, thanks for watching.